That's where TidyUps comes in. We are your on-demand online laundry service designed for modern lifestyle. With just a few taps on our app or website, you can schedule your pickup, cleaning, and washing. All the comfort just from your home. We are partnered with a trusted local laundromats to ensure the top quality washing, fast turnaround time, and eco-friendly washing.
Question analysis how it works. You can schedule your pickup time and your location according to your want. Deliver to your doorsteps fresh and clean clothes. Hustle-free life. This industry is worth of $1 billion, but it remains outdated because people want convenience, reliability, and a digital solution. Exactly what our idea believers. And also, why to waste your weekend just by doing laundry? Just go on our app and register yourself and get free from your wash cycle because your time's too precious.
That concludes our presentation of this idea along with the preview of our website prototype. We believe this platform has a great potential and look forward for your feedback. Thank you for giving us your time, consideration, and a wonderful opportunity.